Understanding Manufacturing Defect, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, news, or even in legal contexts: manufacturing defect. Understanding this phrase is not only about adding new words to your vocabulary but also about getting insight into how products are made and the expectations on their quality. So, let's break it down together. A manufacturing defect refers to a flaw or imperfection in a product that occurs during its production process. This means that something went wrong while the product was being made in the factory. The defect could be in the materials used, the workmanship, or even in the design process that was not executed correctly. It's important to understand that this defect is unintentional and can affect the safety, functionality, or usability of the product. To make it clearer, let's talk about some common examples. Imagine you bought a new smartphone, but the screen flickers without any apparent reason. Or, you purchase a new car, but the airbags fail to deploy in an accident. These issues can be considered manufacturing defects because they result from errors during the production of these items. Identifying manufacturing defects is crucial for several reasons. For consumers, it's about ensuring the products they use are safe and function as intended. For manufacturers, it's about maintaining quality, reputation, and legal compliance. When a manufacturing defect is identified, companies often issue recalls to prevent potential harm or legal issues, highlighting the defect's significance in consumer safety and business integrity. I hope this explanation helps you understand what a manufacturing defect is and why it's a significant concern for both consumers and manufacturers. Remember, it's all about ensuring that the products meet the quality and safety standards expected by users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English language learning journey. See you in the next one.